Singh, grade 5th vertical group. Today I will tell you about friction. First I will do some fun activity. First rub your hand and touch your cheeks. You feel warm. So that's why I will tell you about what is friction. What is friction? Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surface, fluid layers, material elements sliding on each other. There are several types of friction, but today I will tell you about 5 types of friction. Dry friction. Dry friction is a force that opposes the relative later motion of two solid surfaces in contact. Dry friction is a force is subdivided into static friction between non-moving surface and kinetic friction between moving surface. The expression of atomic or molecular friction, dry friction generally arises from the interaction of surface features known as asperities. Fluid friction describes the friction between layers of a viscous fluid that are moving relative to each other. Lubricated friction. Lubricated friction is a case of fluid friction where a lubricant friction separates two solid surfaces. Internal friction. Internal friction is the force resisting motion between the elements making up solid materials while it undergoes deformation. Skin friction. Skin friction is a component of drag, the force resisting the motion of a friction across the surface of a body. Now I will tell you about second point. How heat is produced through friction. When surface is move relative to each other, the friction between the two surfaces it converts kinetic energy in thermal energy. That is it convert heat work to heat. Now I will tell you about hard surface and smooth surface. See my model. If I do this, the car will stop. But this thing I will do in smooth surface, the car is gone. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please watch it full.